Hey guys, please make sure you stand till the end. People make one common mistake that will destroy the engine. You will end up rebuilding or replacing it, which can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick and helpful video to any of you having a BMW with N55 engine. We're talking about multiple models guys that use it. We'll explain how to remove, how to replace engine air filter. We'll demonstrate on X4, but it will be the same for many BMWs. Excuses for the noise, this is a self-bleeding procedure going on now. If you're, by the way, working on your cooling system, you always need to do the self-bleeding procedure, otherwise you may end up overheating and destroying the engine. So, dirty engine filter can cause multiple problems, guys. Increased fuel consumption, engine codes, drivetrain malfunction, we'll talk about it in a second, so let's start on it now. So before we start, let us guys tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you guys how to fix multiple things. We fix engines, we fix guys transmissions, we fix bodywork. We show you how to fix engine codes, fuses, relays. We take them completely apart. We make at least 200 videos on every car. Why we do that? Because our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing that information. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We guys have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools, to fix your cars, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Let's start on it now. If you have a BMW, guys, if you don't change the air filter, especially on those turbo engines, you can easily get drivetrain malfunction light, engine lights. We had codes in the past because of a dirty air filter, especially you may notice that happening more often at higher altitudes and when you're accelerating and you're practically going super fast. The engine may be starving for air because the filter will not allow enough air to go through, and that can cause low air volume code, low boost pressure code as well. That's a turbo code 12308, I believe it was. Hard to diagnose, but always start with the air filter. So let's explain how we're going to replace it now. So what we guys need to do here, pretty simple guys. Okay, we're going to go ahead. We're still bleeding the cooling system here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws that we need to remove. Now never use impact or anything like that because that's plastic here. I want to remove one of them. Okay, they cannot come off to make sure that it doesn't fall in the engine. If everything's fine, they shouldn't come off. Now if somebody worked on it the wrong way, that may cause them to come off too. So you can actually even hear guys, the pump is going like nuts now, but you can hear the air bubbles going through the coolant tank now. Sorry for the noise, but we are in a hurry to do things and we want to show you guys and emphasize how important it is to actually bleed the cooling system on those BMWs, the self-bleeding procedure, otherwise you may destroy your engine. So yeah, we're working on that one now, and we just have, what do we have, 2 more screws that we need to remove here. Okay, we're getting there guys. Okay, perfect, we're on that part now. Now I'm going to get a screwdriver and we're going to pre-loosen that clamp here in the back. Okay, like that. We're going to lift it up. Okay, and now pull the filter out guys. Okay, BMW man filter. Okay, that might be even original one, I don't know, it's pretty dirty guys. Now if I throw that filter on the ground, okay, watch all the contamination that falls off of it guys. So that can cause the car to be starving, okay, for air as well. So let's go ahead and install the new one. Now if you have leaf stuff here, that will be the time to clean it, get a vacuum, suck everything, make sure nothing fell in the intake manifold because that can destroy your engine as well. So we're getting the new filter guys, okay, and we lift it up. We're going to go ahead, get everything situated, make sure that it goes good. Wow, that's a really tight fit, that's amazing. Okay, everything looks great, just to make sure that, okay, it's supposed to go where it goes, right? Yep. Now we're going to go ahead and tighten everything. Okay, so first we're going to tighten these bolts, and don't forget to do the hose clamp in the back. It's really nice if you go in a cross pattern. So you don't put pressure on one side of the filter, only on the seal. So go kind of like in a cross pattern and like X. Now we come to this side. You have a little bit more resistance trying to get them tight because it's compressing the new gasket on the filter. Okay, and we're working on that one now. So you can see this one's practically almost ready, guys. Okay, perfect. So the filter has been replaced. Next, we need to go ahead and tighten the hose clamp right here. Okay, perfect. Everything's good here. Let me just, okay, the cover goes here, so everything's good. Okay, make sure it's not loose and that hose not loose too. So we're done with that filter replacement. So guys, the filter has been replaced on that BMW with N55 engine. Not very complicated. It will take you probably less than 10 minutes to do the job yourself. There is no need to go to mechanics for something simple like that. If you need to buy new filter replacement parts, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, you want to see a specific video on BMW or any car, just drop a comment below, and if we have time, we'll try to make a video for your problem. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.